So OSHA requires that all forklifts be examined at least once a day before they're put into use. Those that are used around the clock, they gotta be examined before each shift. You got that? You must conduct a pre-start check with the key off and then an operational check with the engine running. If the vehicle's in need of repair, has a defect, or is in any way unsafe, you shouldn't drive it. Instead, take it out of service immediately, record any problems, and report them to a supervisor. Here's what you check during the pre-start inspection: fluid levels and leaks, cracks or other defects, including those that are in hydraulic hoses and mast chains. Use a stick or similar item and not your hands to check chain tension. Load backrest extension and the physical state of the forks, including the top clip retaining pin and heel. Tire condition and pressure. Finger guards and safety devices, including the safety belt, are in working order. Safety decals and nameplates, these should be in place, legible, and matching the vehicle's model and serial numbers and attachments. And also, the operator compartment must be free of grease and debris, and it should contain a manual that's legible. Other things you should check are going to depend on the type of vehicle that you're operating. For an electric vehicle, you check cables and connectors, battery restraints, the hood latch, and electrolyte levels, and use all appropriate PPE like face shields, rubber aprons, and rubber gloves. For an internal combustion engine, check the oil, brake reservoir, coolant, air filter, belts and hoses, radiator, and hood latch. For a liquid propane engine, make sure the tank's correctly mounted, it's free of dents, it fits with the truck's profile, and has a relief valve that's pointing up. And check the hose and connectors, tank restraint brackets, and of course, check for signs of leaks. Again, always use that personal protective equipment, PPE. Think of things like long sleeves, gauntlet gloves, and a face shield. For conducting the operational check with the engine on, you're inspecting the following: the accelerator linkage, inch control if it's equipped, brakes and steering, drive control, that's in forward and reverse, tilt control, both forward and back, hoist and lowering control, and attachment control. Also, don't forget the lights, horn, and the backup alarm if it's equipped, and the hour meter. OSHA has checklists for various classes and types of forklift available as well. These serve as guidance, but they don't replace OSHA's actual standards. In addition to checking your vehicle, watch out for signs of danger when driving. Things like mechanical breakdown, fire, overheating, and leakage. The OSHA standards outline when a forklift must be removed from service. If you notice any of the following, while you're driving, you stop, park the vehicle, and get help, and you get out. Hazardous sparks or flames from the exhaust, a higher than normal temperature on any part of the truck, a leak in the fuel system, watch out, okay? Got to deal with that too. Under any of these conditions, in fact, the vehicle can't actually be returned to service until the problem's fixed and the issue is no longer present. Regular maintenance is also incredibly important. Without it, you run the risk of skidding or sliding due to leakage or grease, breakdown, and accidents or injuries from equipment just not working properly. Never operate a forklift that requires maintenance, and always report repair problems to your supervisor. All repairs, they've got to be made by authorized personnel. So to keep your forklift in good working condition, follow the preventive maintenance schedule that's recommended by the manufacturer. Keep your vehicle clean and free of lint, grease, or excess oil, and use non-combustible agents when you're cleaning it. All right, so now that you know how to keep your vehicle safe, we're going to take a look at how you're going to use it safely. You ready?